nVent King Innovation Drycon Visilock with SmartGel is one piece for quick and safe installation. The SmartGel sealant not only allows splices to remain waterproof and corrosion-proof. It is also non-toxic, semi-transparent, and re-enterable for splice examination and correction. nVent King Innovation Drycon Visilock is perfect for outdoor and direct burial applications to protect cathodic splices from corrosion. To install nVent King Innovation Drycon Visilock, first make your connection per the manufacturer's instruction. Next, lay the conductor into the nVent King Innovation Drycon Visilock housing, tighten down wire ties to secure your conductor and trim any excess. Close the nVent King Innovation Drycon Visilock tightly around your splice until you hear the latch close. The SmartGel is semi-transparent so you can examine your splice once the housing is closed to ensure your connection is properly in its place.